Hi, all my Storytime friends. We're going to do things a little different. We still want to have Storytime Mondays at 10 and Fridays at 10, but it's going to be all online so you can still get your Storytime in. This is Bob. He's my dog. This is his favorite place to be. So he's probably going to be with us while I'm reading the story. And I found this book called, it's called My Dog Bob. Are you guys ready? Here we go. This is my dog Bob. Like all dogs, Bob loves breakfast. Here you go, Bob. Sometimes he makes it himself. Eggs for Jeff, pancakes for Mom and Dad, ham for me. Thank you, Bob, says Mom. Thank you, Bob, says Dad. Thank you, Bob, says Jeff. And like many dogs, Bob loves to ride in the car. Ready, Bob? Especially when he's driving. Buckle your seatbelts, everyone, says Bob. Bob, you're not allowed to drive. Most of all, Bob likes to go outside. He likes to take naps, and he likes to play with a ball. Nice putt, Bob. I think he might be playing golf. And he likes to dig for bones. That looks like a dinosaur bone, doesn't it? Great job, Bob. I don't think Bob's a regular dog. My neighbor Mimi has a dog too. Her name is Truffles. My dog is better than your dog, Mimi said. Well, that was not very nice. Truffles can catch a stick, Mimi says. Can Bob catch a stick? I threw a stick. But Bob didn't catch it. Truffles can sit, Mimi said. Can Bob sit? But Bob did not sit. Truffles can speak, Mimi said. Can Bob speak? Nope. But Bob did not speak. Nope, he didn't. We win, said Mimi. I'm sorry, said Bob. That's okay, I said. Bob was talking. Let's get something to eat. Pizza for all. I don't think Bob was a regular dog, do you? He made pizza and he drove a car and all kinds of crazy things. This is what my Bob does all the time. He doesn't make pizza and he doesn't drive a car, but we still love him. So I'm going to read you more stories. So see me again Friday at 10.